Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to log out your Imo account. So first of all, you have to launch your Imo app, which is on the display. And here we can see we just landed in our Imo app. So on the top left corner, there's my profile. You simply have to tap on it. And on the setting, which is in the third section, tap on it there. And we just landed in our settings, and here's on the account and security. You simply have to tap, and we could see we can log out or delete the emo or change your phone number, which is on the third. And anything you want to, you can simply come here, the steps that I've guided you in this video, and simply tap on the logout option. And here it says logging out would not delete profile, chat history and contacts. So tap on the logout section, which is just on the red font. And we can see guys, we just logged out of our Imo account. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.